The BFOUR Bluetooth Meat Thermometer offers a stable wireless connection over a long distance, so you can monitor your cook from across the yard without hovering over the grill. Its 6 stainless steel probes let you track multiple cuts of meat or different dishes at the same time, which is a huge help during large barbecues or holiday meals. Temperature readings are impressively precise across a wide range, giving you confidence that steaks, roasts, and poultry are hitting safe and ideal doneness levels. The large backlit liquid crystal display is easy to read in bright daylight or smoky low light, and it cycles through each probe so you can see everything at a glance. A well-thought-out companion app adds real-time alerts, customizable timers, and preset targets for common meats, making it much harder to overcook anything. The unit feels solid and thoughtfully designed, with award-winning styling and safety certifications that make it a dependable, everyday tool and a gift-worthy gadget for serious home cooks.